Hi everyone, college professor here. And I'm here today to do an unboxing video for a USB microphone, the Neom USB microphone from SE Electronics. I picked it up in Canada at Long and McQuaid, retailed for $249.99. So let's get busy with the unboxing. Got my unboxing knife here. So always when you do an unboxing, careful you don't cut yourself when you go through it. Wow. I think I need a bigger knife. There we go. Take a look. Great, good packaging. SE Electronics, professional USB microphone. Microphone stand, attachments for the adapter, and a USB-C to USB-A cable. Let's take a look. Packaging materials, got a nice user manual. Okay. Well, we get some stickers too, that's interesting. Looks like it's packaged pretty secure. What do we got in here? We should have the cables. And the stand. Oh, we got the stand. Nice metal stand. They're sort of felt protectors, but pretty heavy stand. And we got the adapter, so if you have a boom arm, you can use that, I believe. There's a screw for the, I guess, a boom arm as well. Got the cable, USB-A and USB-C, that's good. And, whoa, got the microphone. Anything else in here? Nope. Well, we need our handy dandy knife again. See if I can do it without scratching it. Whoa, nice and heavy. Nice and heavy, Mike. That's great. Neom. It looks like we got our USB connector down there. A headphone jack to go in. This is the mute button, the SE logo. We got a gain switch, a mic level switch, and a playback level switch. Again, looks pretty good. It's pretty good with our stand. Oh, yeah, geez. Okay, so let's put the stand together. Good, know what we're doing? Yeah, so we're gonna set up the stand. Looks good. Got the stand all set up. And now oh wow. Can adjust it. You can bend the stand. That looks good. And we can put the mic and go clip in. Didn't break anything. And we got the mic set up. So I think I got that correct. Right, you can change it a bit. You can adjust it. I think I did it correctly. So we're going to try using this out for podcasts and recording videos, having better sound for you guys. So I'm going to try that out over the next few days. Good quality product. And yeah, excited to start using this. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. It's always good. It's been a while. Share this with you. And again, try this out next time I do a video. There you go. Probably use a USB-C to USB-C right into my computer. Hi everyone. Now we're going to do a test of the SE Electronics microphone. So right now what you're hearing is the sound that's coming out of my iMac 24-inch. But I'm going to hook up the SE Electronics microphone and we're going to see if you can tell a difference in the sound quality. And now you're hearing the sound from the SE Electronics microphone. So hopefully you can hear a sound difference with this microphone compared to the iMac built-in microphone. It comes with a stand and you should speak fairly close to it. So hopefully you can hear a difference in the sound quality when I use this mic. Thank you for watching the video and we'll see you soon.